This video is about how to send the parcel through Indian Postal Service. My parcel comes under the domestic category. I thought I could take a video and share this work, and maybe it would be useful for someone. So I'm sharing this. First of all, I'm not sending any glass or liquid items. I'm sending only dal and masala powders. One thing you should keep in mind, that is the packaging must be done in the proper way. Let's see how to pack the material. I packed this dal with 2 layers of plastic bags and sealed with a strong sticky brown tape. This is 2-layer plastic bag. After that, I am going to use cloth bag for the third layer. Take a well good and strong cloth bag for the third layer and stitch it properly with a strong thread. This will give more protection to your material. I packed all the items like the same method. Then next step, I am going to pack all these items in the curtain box. This box will be easily available in the provisional stores. No need to spend much money for the packing material. I am reusing all the bags which I had already. Now I packed all the items in the curtain box and properly sealed all the sides using this tape. I completely sealed all the sides. Now I am going to pack this curtain box into the bag, waterproof bag. Nothing but this is a rice bag. This is completely waterproofed bag. So I am going to pack the curtain box into the bag. This will give more protection to my parcel. This is the final step of the packing. Again, I am stitching the bag with strong thread. Now my parcel is completely protected. At any cost, my parcel won't get damaged. If you are not able to do this packing work, some shops are doing the packing work, so you can easily get it from there. Now my packing is completely ready. The last and final step is mentioning the address. Again, I am packing the address paper in the plastic cover, so it will also reach safely. I am taking like this transparent covers and keeping the address paper inside and seal it with transparent tapes. Now my parcel is ready. I weighed my parcel. My parcel weight is 9.5 kg. You can able to send up to 35 kg under the domestic category. Now I am going to calculate my postage amount at home by using the website indiapost.gov.in. In this website, there is a page for calculate postage. In this page, fill the options properly and also mention the weight what you are sending. Finally, you will get the amount. This is the main part of my video. I handed over my parcel to the postal service. They accepted my parcel because my parcel was well packed. They are calculating my parcel amount. I got 330 rupees approximately. I received a slip. This parcel will reach within 7 days. I am going to receive this parcel. Today is the 7th day, exactly 7th day. I received this parcel with good condition. Let me show you. I received my parcel without any damage. I will show you. There is no damage for my product. I hope this video will be a very informative and useful video. Finally, thank you for watching my video and please support and subscribe my channel.